Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take Omega-3 tablets. To begin, always follow the specific dosage instructions provided on your supplement's label. These guidelines are tailored to that particular product's concentration and formulation. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking other medications, it is always best to consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional for personalized advice. They can help determine the most appropriate dosage for your individual needs and health goals. For optimal absorption, it is generally recommended to take your omega-3 supplements with a meal that contains some fat. This helps your body better process the fatty acids. If you experience any digestive discomfort, such as fishy burps, consider splitting your daily dose into 2 or 3 smaller amounts taken throughout the day with different meals. Consistency is crucial, so try to take your supplements at the same time each day. Some people might experience mild side effects like fishy burps or an upset stomach. To minimize these, you can start with a lower dose and gradually increase it. Refrigerating your omega-3 capsules can also help reduce the fishy aftertaste. Additionally, look for enteric-coated capsules, which are designed to dissolve in the intestines rather than the stomach, further reducing the likelihood of unpleasant burps and digestive issues. Remember to store your omega-3 supplements properly to maintain their potency. Keep them in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat, as this can degrade the fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are vital for supporting heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation throughout the body. For more great deals, and to find those leak-proof meal prep containers, check out the link in the description below. Taking your supplements consistently helps maximize these benefits over time, contributing to your overall well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.